Alright, we got a Breezair EXV 5500 standard Breezair cooler. It's the old style float switch, old style drain. You see the slit right there? You line it up down in there, it will slide right in like it needs to be. Okay, the slit is going to be right in there, yes sir. Yep, and your little clips go in. Boom. Boom. Okay. Float, old style. Pretty cool. Easy. Come around here. There's my water line for down at the spigot. Everything re-hooked up. That Breezair panel will take off down to the yard and it will bust if it falls from this high up. Don't want to do that. Okay, power switch has been turned off. I'm going to turn him on. There you go. Belt. Someone has removed the belt. When they winterize this, they remove the belt right there. So you're going to want to get that belt back on there. Okay. Let's do it this way. Belt. That's original. Okay. Yes, sir. Get your belt on there first. Come on down the big old pulley. That metal. Okay, that metal is just temporary for winterization. It is kind of strange to me. So let's pull these pieces of metal off. Yeah, like that. Yes, sir. And pull that metal off on the other side. Right there. Pull this one off. Oh, this is a Breezair swamp cooler EXV. Somebody did some homemade winterization to keep the birds and the bees from getting into their duplex there. Okay, so now you're ready to go. Power's on. Fans uncovered. We're gonna go down, hook that water up downstairs at the spigot to your needle valve and turn the Breezair swamp cooler back on.